What's up, everybody? I want to talk about your first 90 days of wholesaling. Your first 90 days are critical to help set the tone and set the pace on how you're going to build your business. Because the sooner you do your first deal, the more confident you're going to be. And the more confident you are, the more deals you're going to be. Wholesaling boils down to one simple thing. It's a numbers game. You want to get as many touches, as many calls, anything as you can to cast a wide net out to get your funnel going and to narrow things down. So my way I built my business that we're gonna talk about first, that I think is the most effective way to do it, is boots on the ground, bandit signs. Throwing bandit signs will be the best way to really get into your business and get you going. Now, I threw an insane amount of bandit signs, and we're gonna get into that here in just a second. So on this first segment of your first 90 days, I want to dive into bandit signs next.